Hello, welcome to Orchis 365. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing with Julio from our friend Paula from Hillbilly Orchids. Come here, Juli. You wanna open it for me? Come on. Excuse me, sir. Please don't eat the plant. He is sniffing away. Julio? Oh wow, this is not one multiflora. This is a lot. What have you done, Paula? What have you done? Oh wow. Okay, this must be this. Whoa, I'm just so scared of this is the multiflora. This is a big piece. I was expecting something a lot small. Look at her enabling me with all these Hoyas. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh wow, this thing beastly beautiful. Look at that little leaf. And they all got here safe, and she taped them inside the box. So I have the multiflora. This is my third and final attempt, and this one is going inside the house. Okay, yeah, we heard the bird is not happy about Julio. Okay, so that's gonna be a fun one. I don't have my mics, they don't have battery. A piece of retusa. I'm gonna add it to mine because mine is scrawny and sad. This one is actually a nice piece. In fact, I'm gonna bring it over here and show you how sad and scrawny mine is. Look at this beauty. What is this? It says Hoya Carnosa Crimson Princess. I have one, but it's not this one. It just has the same, it doesn't have this. Probably related. I have to start labeling and keeping track of my Hoyas, but this is, look at that. These pieces are, I don't deserve all of this. What is, oh my goodness. What is this one? Hoya, okay, Kurt, I don't want to say it wrong. Also another beautiful splashy leaf one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one came out. Oh, Hoya Bella. This one I've tried and I lost. I actually really wanted this, and you had no idea. So thank you. I'm gonna set them up in a little propagation station inside the house to get them to root a little. So yeah, she said she was sending me a Hoya multiflora, but she sent me a whole 1, 2, 3, 4. She sent me five Hoyas. She sent me the multiflora and like 4. Anywho's, this is a lot. Thank you so much. That was really kind of you. I'm gonna get you back though, so get ready for that. I just wanted to show you my beautiful Hoyas, my unboxing, and I'll see you soon. Always remember to please be kind. Bye.